Hello Year 3 and welcome to your next humanities lesson. Today we're going to be talking about cities in England. But before we do that, I wanted to recap something you'd done just before half term. You spoke about different foods and foods from different countries. So your first task today is to see if you can think of 2 Mexican foods and 2 Italian foods. You may want to choose one other country as well and write down 2 foods from that country. So 2 foods traditionally often eaten in Mexico and 2 foods often eaten in Italy. Can you think back to just before half term and remember 2 answers? So 2 foods that are often eaten in Mexico and 2 foods that are often eaten in Italy. Can you do that? Pause the video and have a think now. Well done, Year 3. I've added a couple of answers to my board. Under Mexican, I've written chili and tacos, which is one of my favourites. And under Italian, I have written ice cream and pizza. Very well done if you thought of some similar answers. My second activity on the board, I've written lots of words onto my board. And I would like you to decide if each word is a name of a country or the name of a city. So each of these words, are they the name of a country or a city? Hopefully you know the difference between a country and a city. And can you spot them on this board? We have looked at lots of these words when we've done different countries around the world and capital cities as well. Can you spot the words that are names of countries and the words that are names of cities? Pause the video and have a go, and I'll add my answers to the board as well. Very well done, Year 3, if you were able to answer those. I have just written city. Rome is a city. Tokyo is a city. Sydney is a city. Berlin is a city. And London is a city. The rest of the words are all names of countries. Today, in particular, we're going to look at England and the cities in England. Here I have a map of Britain and Ireland. The different colours mean different countries. The pink is Wales. The yellowy orange colour is England. The purpley colour is Scotland. The blue we have over here is Northern Ireland. And the green is the Republic of Ireland. Today, we're going to be concentrating on the country where we all live, England. So this yellowy orange section, we're going to be trying to find and locate the different cities in England, where different cities are in England. We live in Northamptonshire, and lots of you may live in Northampton. That's not a city, that is a town, but we can find it on the map here. It's marked on, so we're all about here at the minute, near Northampton, and our school, Stratton, is very near Northampton. But that is a town, not a city. Cities are often bigger than towns. We're going to try and spot some of these cities on a map. To help you complete this activity today, you'll need your atlas, and in particular, page 11. Page 11 is a map of the British Isles, England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland, and the Republic of Ireland. But as I said previously, the only country we need to worry about today is this big pink one. This is England. And all the cities we're looking for today are all in England. Not every city marked on here is on your sheet today, but quite a lot are, and the words you're looking for are at the bottom of your sheet to help you as well. Just to give you a bit of a start, I have marked 2 on the map. Can you find the names of these countries? I'm going to give you an extra clue as well. This one starts with a L, and this one up here towards the top of England starts with a N. Can you find the names of those countries? This map also shows Wales, but none of the answers we need today will be in Wales, and it's the same on your sheet. Wales is marked on your map, but the answers won't be in Wales. They're only cities in England. Can you find the names of these 2 these 2 cities on your map? They will all be in the pink bit somewhere. And I've given you the first letter to give you a clue. Pause the video, see if you can find it on your map, and I'll add the answers to the board as well. Very well done if you have added London and Newcastle, 2 names of cities. So 2 of the spaces on your sheet have already been filled in. The one at the top here is Newcastle, so you can write that in and cross it off. And this one here is London, the capital, the main city in England. The boxes are quite small, so you may have to write a little bit smaller or just extend the box a little bit, maybe write just outside the box. Just make it as neat as you can. The names you need are all written at the bottom of the box. If you finish all of that, you can see if you can name any other places. Maybe see if there are other places marked on this map that aren't on your map that you can add on. And do look carefully. The little dot, the little circle next to each box is showing you exactly where that box means, because some are quite close together. So do look for where the dot is, and that should help you. So can you fill in that map of England, adding all the cities into the correct boxes? And if you finish all of that, can you add any other places onto the map? Maybe even add Northampton, and you can show where you are as well. Thank you for watching Year 3.